Today's lecture 6 of Basic Electronics is Number System Octal to Decimal. Welcome to my channel ClassFly Community. So today we will deal with octal to decimal conversion. Okay? So we can surely understand from the question that this is a number which is given is octal by seeing its base, right? And by seeing this base we can understand we have to change in decimal, right? First of all, we will write the question, that is, as it is saying it is 21, so we will write 22 and 1, right? First, we will write the numbers, that is 2 and 1. As it is, we have to change this octal number to decimal. We will multiply with 8 and we will increase the power from right to left. So, our power is increasing 0, 1 and it will continue increasing if there were numbers. So we know 2 into 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 1 is 8, so 2 into 8 is 16, right? And 1 into 8 to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So the octal's 21's octal number decimal is 17. Perfect. Now we will see a floating number. See, 21.28. We have already done 21 whose decimal we got is 17. So I have done similarly this side and we got 17. We will now perform point after the point, that is after the decimal. So, and always remember, after decimal we will decrease the power. We will decrease the power. Okay, and it will respectively decrease like 8 to the power minus 2 and dot dot dot. Okay. Now see, we will similarly write the number 2 into 8 to the power minus 1. I did here manually. You will use your scientific calculator for calculations. So it will take less time. So when we divide this thing, we get 0.25. Okay. And 16 plus 1 is 17. So our decimal answer is 17.25 of this octal number, that is 21.2. After decimal, we say this number as a single digit. So now let's solve some questions so you can get a clarity on this topic. So 71. So we will first write the number 7, 1. Then again we will write, and we will write 8, and again here we will write the 1, and again we will write 8 multiply. Now we will increase the power. Done. Now 8 to the power 1 is 8 and 8 to the power 0 is 1. We wrote. Now 7 into 8 is how much? Yes, 7 into 8 is, yes, you are correct, that 7 into 8 is 56. So we will write 56 here, and 1 into 1 is 1. So what we got answer for this one? We got 57. So this octal number, that is 71, its decimal is 57. Right. See, I have written 71.7. So see, 71 I have already done. So let's do it again. 7, 1. Right. We'll write the numbers first and the multiplication. Then we will increase the power, and we know 7 into 8 is 56. And similarly this one, so we got 57 in this side. And after this point, we will write the number first, then we will decrease the power. Yes, when we decrease the power, what do we get? Yes, when we decrease the power, we get the answer as 875. Yes, so our answer is 875. So what is its answer? So it will be 57.875. This is the decimal for the number 71.7. That is the octal. So let's keep this lecture till here, and I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Now is the code time. Lead from the heart, not ahead? I hope all of you understood today's lecture, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.